Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace windshield wipers on your Acura TLX. This is an easy guide that will help you maintain clear visibility. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth. Park your vehicle on a level surface for safety. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield, being careful not to let it snap back. This simple task takes only a few minutes and improves driving safety. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old blade down and off the J-hook of the wiper arm. Be sure to place a soft towel or cloth on your windshield to protect it from any accidental scratches from the metal arm. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto your windshield, ensuring it rests properly. Finally, let's perform a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their operation. They should move smoothly and clear the glass effectively without streaking. For optimal visibility and safety, remember to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or about twice a year, depending on your driving conditions. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.